In this video, I will show you how to turn yourself into an action figure. So if this video helps you, subscribe. And yeah, it's really simple. So copy the text I put in the description. So the text is created. Go to ChatGPT, put in your photo. So click on plus and put in your features, and then type in create a toy of the person, the photo, make it an action figure. Next to the figure, add accessories like So here you need to add your accessories. I'm gonna do glasses and an iPhone, etc. The plastic blister pack should be glossy with lighter frequency, and the image should be illuminated for cinematic lighting. So yeah, copy this and link this in the description and put in your image. And now let's see. It might take a bit, but yeah. So I'll get back to once it's finished, and that's how you do it in the description. So after a few seconds or minutes, you get your character. As you see, this is mine. I mean, it might look a bit strange, but you can give it prompts again, maybe remove the hands or something, but looks pretty realistic as you see. Even the hair matches. So yeah, glasses and stuff. So I hope this video helped you. Subscribe.